Hello. Good morning, Predator. How are you doing? Very good. Right, quick update. Well, there they are. The garage doors are fitted. Looking good now. A little bit to do, not much now. There they are. That doesn't look too bad, does it? Down the edges. All adjustable. So if they ever move, padlock fitting a little. Just got to make a handle for there, that's all. Not decided what I want for that yet. Lovely and smooth. The open grate. Little drop bolt there. And one at the bottom. And there's one on the guy's door on the opener. And when I push it open, I can use that to stop the door blowing open and blowing shut when I've got it on. A lock fit in here. That turns and locks into place, and I've got the padlock on the outside as well, just to give it a bit of air. So that's it, thank you. All fitted. Maybe of interest to somebody. I'm glad they're done, but now they are, that's it. Cheers.